Have you already booked your MSC Seaside cabin? Well, stick around. We're going to be sharing some tips and tricks for how to make the most of your balcony cabin.
Alright, the first thing that you're going to see when you walk into your room is a white box that controls the power to your room. This is air conditioning and heating, and it's also going to be for lights, including the bathroom. They encourage you to use your cruise card. However, if you want to leave the room for a few minutes and you want to take your key card with you and you don't want the air conditioning to go off, a tip would be to find a different card from your wallet or purse that you could throw in there. This happens to be my hotel card from the night before I was on this cruise ship. So sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, so you may have to try a couple. So that's just kind of a tip there. If you want to leave the room powered when you're not in it, that would be something to do there. Above the power box is a do not disturb and a makeup room. So when you leave the room and you want the room steward to know that you are not in there, you'd like them to clean it up, go ahead and select the makeup room. If you're in the room and you want to take a rest or just don't want the steward to come in at all for some reason, go ahead and click the do not disturb. There's actually a light panel right outside your door, so they will be able to know your preferences. The second thing I want to talk about here is the power in your room. So there's an outlet right in the vanity where you can plug in two different cords, and then also there's two USB options as well. There's a high power USB option and just a regular. If you have more than a couple things that you're going to need to power while you're there, you may want to bring an extension cord or a surge protector power strip of some sort, because this really is your only option for power in the room. So just want to keep that in mind as you're packing for your trip. If you like to get ready in front of a full-length mirror, the full-length mirror did not have a cord near it, so you may want to bring an extension cord for that. This is the bathroom sink, which I was so excited about. There is pump soap, which I love, and I don't have to travel with my pump soap now. So if that's something that you have taken before, you shouldn't have to take it now. Also, the sink was really deep, and I really liked that because it made it feel a lot bigger than they normally are. They're very shallow normally, so I was really pleased to see this. There were two little glass containers, assuming cups. I didn't see any other cups in the bathroom, but you could throw your toothbrush in there or a comb or anything you wanted. You could use it as a little storage option as well. And then in the shower, there was a shampoo and a shower gel option. So if you don't mind using a standard one, go ahead and use this. The smell was just average. It was nothing great about it, but it was nice to have available if you forgot your shower gel or your shampoo. This is the breakfast order form that's you can put on your door the night prior, and you put the number of people in your stateroom, put your cabin number, and then the time that you would like them to deliver it. I know they work really hard to get it there between those times. So just wanted you to be able to see that this is an option available for you. And inside here is the description of what they offer. So they offer the coffee and the tea and the hot chocolate, and then they've got milk and juice and yogurt, and jelly and cereals and breads and pastries. So it gives you a nice little start if you want to start with something in your stateroom before you go out, or if you want to have a relaxing morning. If you've got a balcony, you can drink your coffee on your balcony. This is a great way to do that. My last couple slides here, this is actually on the vanity. So the left switch is the vanity light, but then the right switch is actually the light for the balcony. I discovered that at the evening time. I had tried to figure out what it was during the day, and obviously I couldn't see the light. So this is the light switch for the balcony if you want that on, if you're out there in the evening for any reason. And then lastly, the balcony door has a lock on it. I am so excited. I don't know about you. If you've got little ones, then you want to make sure they don't go out on the balcony without your permission. That is near the top of the balcony, and I'm very excited to see that in the room. So if you have any other questions about the room, or if you've had experiences with something different in the room that you want to comment, please let us know. We'd love to have that piece of information from you as well.